Adjusting the top rib of your Fabarm trap. The rib elevation is easily adjusted with a small thumb wheel at the muzzle end without the use of tools. First, be certain the safety is engaged and the gun is unloaded before making any adjustments to the rib. To move the rib up, lightly press the rib to the barrel with your left hand, then turn the small finger wheel to the right or clockwise and release the rib. With the rib adjusted all the way to the upward position, the point of impact will be 50-50 at 35 meters. To move the rib down, reverse the procedure. Lightly press the rib to the barrel, then turn the finger wheel to the left or counterclockwise. With the rib adjusted to the lowest setting, the point of impact will be high. Once the desired height has been set and the desired point of impact has been achieved, the anti-rotation system on the finger wheel will keep it fixed without the use of tools. You will note a small screw at the muzzle end of the rib and on the side of the adjusting block. These screws do not require any adjustment. At this point, you've successfully adjusted the rib. For more information on care and performance of your Fabarm shotgun, visit us now at fabarmusa.com.